Let happiness explode like popcorn. Popcorn Battle. Log in to Suzhou Amusement Park Candy World. Belonging to the Game Interactive Shooting Riding category, Combat Alliance Project. It is the first interactive mixed media amusement device in Asia jointly developed and produced by us and the Alterface team. Before entering the revenge world of popcorn, participants need to arrive at the preparation area and board the vehicle in an orderly manner according to the pre-organized team, waiting for a thrilling competitive showdown to unfold. The competition adopts ultra-dynamic multi-axis rotation, constantly forming teams to exchange opponents during the process until the champion is finally determined. Contestants earn points by shooting popcorn on the screen. Tourists will enjoy the excitement of interactive shooting, competitive games, and spinning platforms, making this amusement project a must-play for all ages. The central large screen will update the points and battle details of each team in real time, cooperating with the live commentary of the guide. The contestants can fully immerse themselves in the intense competition atmosphere. At the end of the game, a comprehensive ranking is generated based on the sum of points from each round. Whether it's a parent-child showdown, a best friend team, or a couple's PK, you can bomb boredom and harvest happiness. The Combat Alliance project stands out for its ability to provide high-level interactivity in an economically efficient and space-saving packaging. It is also easy to install and operate, making it very suitable for home entertainment centers, FEC, and shopping malls. Activities and events can also be perfectly adapted. Has demonstrated strong universality and practicality.